Fernando da Silva. Hello, William Sanchez. Hi. I'm sleepy because I'm so sleepy. Do you have a window in your room? Window in your room? Yes, I have a window here, right there. It was a bit, but it's over now. It was a bit good, but I lost it somehow. It was a bit love, but it's over now. It was a bit good, but I lost it somehow. Nagkit na naman yung aking hair sa pagpawisan. I hate this. Good morning. Hi, user 452. Hello. Tulog. My gosh. You really know how to speak Tagalog. Hindi ako pwede matulog. It's daytime. There's a lot of chores. You're around, touch me now. I'll close my eyes, dream of you. Never ending, good worker. Yes, work night and day. Work always. Work on YouTube, work on house, work on everywhere, work in barangay, work in other place. Work in barangay. I'm sweeping on the street too. If you guys didn't know. Tomorrow I'm gonna sweep the street. Ijimal. Open your dress. Oh my god. Are you kidding me, bro? Good morning. Ikaw mo ko, don't judge me. Isabel.